Hello everyone. In question 7, it is written that a rectangular sheet of paper is rolled into a cylinder along its length and find the capacity of a cylinder. Whenever the capacity is written, always convert the answer in liters. कैपेसिटी लिखा है तो लीटर्स में आप कन्वर्ट करेंगे. दो इट इज रिलेटेड टू द वॉल्यूम, सो फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट इट्स वॉल्यूम एंड देन कन्वर्ट इट इन लीटर. We did 1 meter cube equal 1000 liter or 1 meter cube equal 1 kiloliter, and same way 1 centimeter cube equal 1 liter. So find its, since it is rolled along its length, so it will become a circumference like this. This is length. So if we will roll it, we did this concept before also, then the length will become the circumference and the breadth will remain as a height. So same thing, the breadth will become height. Now 2 pi r equal 33, solve कीजिए, you will get the r value. Then you will find out the capacity of cylinder, that is volume of cylinder. Find its answer, you will get it as 2772 centimeter cube. As I have told it, capacity, change it in liter. So 1 centimeter cube equal 1 liter. So this much centimeter cube equal how much liter? So 2772 liter. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the 8th question. In 8th question, it is written that two cylinders having their height and radius melted to form a big cylinder. दो सिलेंडर को हमने मेल्ट करके एक बड़ा सा सिलेंडर बना दिया. एंड व्हाट शुड बी द रेडियस ऑफ द बिग सिलेंडर? व्हाट डज इट मीन? दिस कंसेप्ट वी डिड इट इन क्यूब एंड क्यूबॉइड वॉल्यूम आल्सो. सो इट मीन्स अगर हम इनको मेल्ट करेंगे, if we will melt these two cylinders to make it a big cylinder, the volume will remain same, isn't it? So it means that volume of this plus volume of this equals volume of big cylinder. So whenever such question come in your exam, always try to write the formula first. So volume, let it be first cylinder, this is second cylinder, and this is big cylinder or third cylinder. So it means volume of first cylinder, volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinder equal volume of big cylinder. यही मतलब हुआ. मीन्स वॉल्यूम मीन्स उनके जो वेट है और द वेट की बात अगर करें वो सेम रहेगा. सो नाउ अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला पाई. I have represented it with R1 H1 plus pi R2 square H2 equal pi. Take this thing as R square H. Okay. Now take pi common from both the sides. It will get reduced then like this, equal pi r square h. Why we are doing it like this? So that it will become, the calculation will become simple. So pi and pi will be cancelled out. So left part r1 square h1 plus r2 square h2 equal r2 square h. We have to find out this r. Okay, from here. Now substitute the value r1 square 8 square into 49 plus r2 square 7 square multiply 35 and r square we have to find out into 56. How will you go further? कैसे करेंगे इसको अब आगे? Now solve it for the 64 multiply 49 plus 49 multiply 35 equal r square, and this 56 will come in the denominator. Is it clear? Now you will go further to get its answer. I think you can find out its answer yourself. If you want, then to make it more simple, You can take 49 common. It's on you how you want to do. Upon 56 equal r square. Okay, then it will become 49 and 99 upon 56 equal r square. So there are many ways to solve it. आप इनको multiply करके then you can add them together to get the answer, or with this way also you can do it further. Okay, now cancel it. How will you cancel it? This goes with 7 and 8. Okay, so what else? You will get it. Try it further yourself to get the answer. So you will get, after solving it, r square, you will get it like this, 693 upon 8, and r square will be 86.6. Now r will be, what it should be? Square root of 86.6. Now you will find out its square root, the method which you know it very well. So you will get 9.3. Now the question is that you have to find out the diameter. Therefore, diameter, what it should be? 9.3 multiplied 2. So it will come as 18.6 centimeter. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Okay. Now come to the next question. In question 9, it is given volume of pipe is given, height is given, external radius is given. External radius से हमें थोड़ा सा idea लग रहा है, since they are talking about the external radius, so it is hollow from inside. And you have to find out the thickness. One pipe which has a external radius and we have to find out its thickness. So thickness means आपको ये थिकनेस निकालनी है, एंड इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? इफ फ्रॉम आउटर रेडियस, अगर हम आउटर रेडियस में से इनर रेडियस माइनस कर दें, आउटर में से दिस रेडियस इफ वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट इट from this line, if we will subtract this line, we will get the thickness. So basically what we have to do, outer radius minus inner radius, that is thickness. So volume of pipe is given 748. Volume of pipe means ये दिया हुआ है आपके पास, this volume is given. Since thickness की बात हो रही है तो आपके पास volume of pipe is given, means पाइप का वेट दिया हुआ है आपके पास, एज वी टुक द क्वेश्चन इन प्रीवियस स्लाइड ऑल्सो. ये वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है, वॉल्यूम ऑफ पाइप मीन्स ये वेट दिया हुआ है, इसका वेट, सिंस इट इज हॉलो फ्रॉम इनसाइड, सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ पाइप विल बी आउटर वॉल्यूम माइनस इनर वॉल्यूम. The volume is given 748, put it over here, and outer volume we will represent it radius with capital R, and the inner radius we will take it with small r. Apply the formula pi r square h. Take pi h common to make it more simple. You will get, now instead of r square, substitute its value, solve it further. After solving it, you will get r square equal 64. So r will be 8 centimeter. How to get it? From here, r will be square root of 64 and r you will get it as 8 centimeter. But the question is that you have to find out the thickness. Therefore, thickness of pipe equal, as I have told it, outer radius minus inner radius. So outer radius we have taken it with capital R minus inner radius. So outer radius we have here as 9. So 9 minus inner radius we have got it as 8. So 9 minus 8, that is 1 centimeter. And this question is Very important also. Is it clear, this question? So whenever thickness is there, so it means that the outer minus inner, or we can say that it is hollow from inside. Now come to the next question. In question 10, it is given volume of cylinder is 150 pi centimeter cube, height is given, and we have to find out the total surface area and the curved surface area. Curved surface area or lateral surface area, one and same thing. To find out these two, formula of cylinder, curved surface area is 2 pi RH and the total surface area is 2 pi R plus H. H is there, but we don't have R. So what does it mean? With the help of this volume, we will find out R first and then we will substitute it. So from here, 150 pi equal pi R square H. Okay. Now cancel pi and pi, so it will be 150 equal R square into H. H is given 6. So R square equal 150 upon 6. Now cancel it. It will goes with 6, 12 and 5. So you will get R square equal 25. So from here R will be 5 centimeter. Now we will find out TSA and CSA. Total surface area. Total surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi R plus H, and 2 into 22 by 7, R is 5 and 5 plus H is given as 6. Okay, then solve it for the 2 into 22 by 7 into 5 into 11. So solve to get the answer in centimeter square. Is it clear? Now same way we can find out the curved surface area now. The curved surface area is 2 pi RH. So it is 2 into 22 by 7. R we have got it as 5 and the H is 6. So apply the value, solve it further to get the answer. Now come to the question number next. In question 11, it is given curved surface area of cylinder and the volume of cylinder. We have to find out the diameter and the height of a cylinder. If we will find out the radius of a cylinder, then automatically we will get the diameter also. So now come to the question. This question is also very important. Curved surface area of cylinder is given 264. It means 2 pi RH equals 264. And volume is given 924. So it means pi R square H equal 924. Now what we have to do, we will keep this as equation 1 and 2. Now we will divide equation 1 divided by 2 on both sides. On both sides. Let's see what result we will get it. So divide means upon, like this you will write it, equal 264 upon 924. So we will divide both the sides. Okay. So see what we can cancel it. Ye cancel ho gaya and this cancel. And same way we will cancel 1, 3, 2. It goes with the 2. Ye aa jayega. Then again it will go. It goes with the 11 also. So 12, 4 and 2. Now it goes with 3. 3, 4, then 7. So we will get 2 upon R equal 2 upon 7. We will get this and now solve it. From here 2R equals 7 into 2. So R will be 7 multiplied 2 upon 2. Cancel कीजिए. You will get R as 7 centimeter. आपके पास r आ गया, therefore diameter of cylinder will be 2 into 7, that is 14 centimeter. So this is the one of the answer. अब क्वेश्चन में क्या लिखा है, that you have to find out the height also. How will you find out the height? You have got the r here and you have to find out height. What will you do? कैसे निकालेंगे हम height? What we will do, substitute this value of r in either of the equation. Means ये वैल्यू हम किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे to solve it further. So put, what we will write it, put r equals 7 centimeter in equation 1. In either of the equation you can put it. So if we will put it in equation 1, so let's see what we will get it. 22 by 7 into r is 2 pi rh. So into r means 7 multiply h equal to 64. This result we will get it. Cancel कीजिए. So h equal 264 upon 2 into 22. Once again, you have got r. This r value, either you can put the r value in equation 1 or equation 2 and then you will solve it. So what we have taken it, put the value of r equal 7 centimeter in equation 1. आप equation 2 में भी put करेंगे, then also you will get the right answer. So I have taken it equation 1. So substitute the value in equation 1. So you will get this result. Now solve it. This you will get it. Let me check once again. Okay. So cancel it. From here you will get h equals 6. Not centimeter. This is meter. So you will get it as a 6 meter. So height of a cylinder, diameter of a cylinder is 14 and height of cylinder equal 6 meter. Is it clear? So what we did, we have taken the formula here, then we will divide both the sides. After dividing both the sides, remember you have to divide both the sides. आप इसको this upon this भी कर सकते हो. Then also you will get same answer. After doing the division, solve it. You will get the r value. R value आ जाएगी. So you will get the diameter as it has been asked in the question. Diameter will be double. Now you will put r equals 7 in either of the equation. After putting it, solve it. You will get the answer. I think it's clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.